Hello everyone, this is Khasis Lieb. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to everyone. Glad to see you here in this new year and welcome to my video. So this time I wanted to show a little bit more the process of sketching because a lot of time I focus on the painting and I don't talk about sketching. But I found that the sketching phase is really important, and I noticed that I never spend too much time in sketching. Uh, the opposite is true, of course. Most often than not, when I'm telling myself, "Oh, it's okay. This loose sketch will be enough, and I will see that in colors and stuff like that," I tend to regret it at the end and don't like very much the piece. But if I spend a little more time and actually take my time on the sketch phase, I rarely am disappointed. And I still can fucked up the painting and the colors, but at least the base and the sketch won't be bad, and the drawing won't be crooked, or it won't bug me. So yeah, the most of the time, as I do portraits, I use a red pencil, so it's more likely to merge with the colors of the face, of the skin, even with colored people or different shades of skin. It tends to blend more, and I like the way if I let some of the pencil underneath the painting, that the red is playing with the colors and not darken it or even tone it down like charcoal or stuff like that.